Hi, it's Jamie with Jamie's Arts a la Cartes. Thank you very much for joining me. I have a fun project planned for us today. I hope this video inspires you to create something of your own. If you would, hit the like button and share the video with your friends. That helps me to grow this channel and to continue to bring you new projects. If you haven't subscribed yet, would you please consider subscribing? And if you have, thank you very much. Well, we have a lot to do, so let's get to it. Hi, it's Jamie with Jamie's Arts a la Cartes. Well, we are definitely not in our normal studio. We are out here in Santa's workshop. If y'all have not checked out my husband's YouTube channel, I'll leave a link below. He creates wooden model ships, museum quality. He's got some fun projects going, y'all. But we're out here today because this is actually a box that my mother-in-law decorated decades ago. And so we are going to clean up this image and then wood burn it in there. This is her actual handiwork. Henny Penny's out there talking, she can hear my voice. But we're going to restore this box, and then we're going to fill it full of Legos for our grandson's birthday. It needs a little bit of attention, but we are going to take care of that today. Alright, we have a lot to do, y'all. Let's get to it. Alright, we got the wood burner tool thing plugged in. He's got the image cleaned up pretty good. Alright, here we go. Never done anything like this before.
Gotta aim that down.
Wow, look at that. That's better than I had even hoped for. And that's Grandma Foxy's name even added down there. So we're just going to put a simple little urethane on it to coat it. Got it all sanded, nice and smooth. Tacked in any tacks that needed. Cleaned out any of those little knot holes. We'll start on the inside. Let it dry, probably overnight. And then urethane the outside. Wow, how about that? So that was a simple little pencil drawing on the side of a decades old box. Took some wood burning tools and our collaboration. We worked on this together. How about that? Totally impressed with ourselves. Wow, look at that. So we've got a good thick coat of urethane on there. What a productive afternoon. The inside is all coated as well. See that wood just soaked up that urethane. Man, it was thirsty. So might end up putting a second coat on there, but it is just about 90% complete. Wow. Turned out way better than I even envisioned. I love it when it works out like that. Great teamwork. Well, here is how our box turned out. How cool is that? So we took an old toy box that my mother-in-law had drawn this fun little design on. We cleaned the box up. We used wood burners to engrave that picture that she had hand drawn, and then we urethaned it. We urethaned it inside and out. And I just love how it turned out. We are going to turn this into a Lego treasure box for a grandson for his birthday. I know it's Christmas in July, but his birthday's in July, so it's still a gift in July. But we came up with this idea how to incorporate this treasured memory that my husband has into a gift, a presentation for our grandson. All right, I'm going to get to sorting. We have tubs of Legos, y'all. I'll sort them out and I'll get them put in there. But this box just far exceeded what I was hoping for. Super, super pleased with it. Well, here it is. Wow, look at the treasures. That all go in that box. How about that? Well, I hope you've enjoyed this project. It's a little different than what we usually do, but it was fun. How about that? Didn't realize we had so many Legos, y'all. Sorry, Mom and Dad, where they're going. Oh, you'll have a ball. I promise. All right. We love the box. What a wonderful memory to share. I hope that inspires you to think outside the box and find special ways to share memories with your loved ones. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, like it, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, would you please consider subscribing? And well, until next time, happy crafting. All right, thanks so much, y'all. We'll talk to you soon.